Good evening, friends. Today we will discuss on the topic of explain Article 14 of the Indian Constitution. This Article 14 is the one of the fundamental right. Fundamental rights are taken from USA. These fundamental rights are essential for an human existence, as well as it is also developed the individuals. These are guaranteed to any person in the state within the territory of India. From Article 12 to 35 are fundamental rights, which are incorporated in Part 3 of our Indian Constitution. From Article 14 to 18 represents right to equality. In that Article 14 we will discuss today. Article 14. Article 14 is right to equality. Right to equality, which emphasizes equality before law. Which emphasizes equality before law and equal protection of laws. Equal protection of laws. The state shall not deny any person equality before law or equal protection of laws within the territory of India. Confirm these rights to all the persons, whether they are citizens or foreigners. Here the person means legal person also, any registered society. But if you see, the concept of rule of law has two important features. Rule of law means all are equal in front of law. Rule of law as having the two dimensions. One is equality before law and equal protection of laws. This equality before law origins from British government. This equal protection of laws is origin from USA, inspired from USA Constitution. This equality before law includes absence of any special privileges in favor of any person. Means the equal subjection of all persons to the ordinary law of land administered by the ordinary law courts. No person is above the law. This concept of equality before law taken from the rule of law, which is given by A.V. Dicey. A.V. Dicey. No person is above the law. This concept of rule of equality before law taken from the concept of rule of law, which is given by A.V. Dicey, British constitutional expert. British constitutional expert. The Dicey is having the three important elements. One is having the three important elements. One is absence of arbitrary power. It means no person can be punished except for distinct breach of law. And equality before law, every person is equal in the eyes of laws. Howsoever he may high, means in the name of the high, or status will be high, or economically so strong, whatever it may be, every person is equal in front of the laws, in the eyes of the laws. The primacy of the rights of individuals, source of fundamental rights, is in the traditions and customs and also judgments delivered by the courts from time to time. But the judgment is not consistency strict on one timeline. Every time the courts from time to time they are delivered judgments. It means the constitution is the result of the rights of the people. Coming to the third feature of this A.V. Dicey, the concept of rule of law not there in Indian administration. In Indian Constitution is the source of fundamental right only. Coming to the equal protection of laws, American Constitution, the equality of the treatment under the equal circumstance. both in the privileges and conformed liabilities imposed by the laws. If you take the similar application of the same laws to all persons which are similarly situated means the like treated without any discrimination. Without any discrimination. Without any discrimination. This is the few concept analysis on the Article 14 of the Indian Constitution, which is a fundamental right. Thank you.